Good morning, welcome to episode 8 of Checking Out the Countertops. My name is Tatanish with Emerald Coast Fabrication, and today we're along the coast of Seagrove Beach, Florida with another beautiful custom beach house behind me. Let's go check out the stonework inside. Follow me.
You wanna cruise, just another cruise.
Welcome to this ultra modern luxurious kitchen featuring Calacatta Viola throughout. Starting from the mitered wrapped massive hood vent, continuing onto the full height backsplash, onto the 12-foot island featuring mitered waterfall side panels and a book matched front fascia. This kitchen is nothing short of unbelievable.
Just another cruise.
Now follow me upstairs. We got more to show you. So here we are stepping into the primary area of the home, and this primary bedroom has 2 primary bathrooms, a his and a hers. So here we are in her primary bathroom, and this bathroom is fitted with 13-foot high Persian Onyx walls with a vanity top to match. And now we're in his. So last but not least, here we are on the 3rd floor, and you must see these bathrooms. Once again, we have the floor-to-ceiling stone panels combined with the double vanities to match. Nothing short of spectacular. So here we are in the 3rd floor sister bathroom featuring beautiful Tiffany crystal. Thank you for joining us in this spectacular home for another episode of Checking Out the Countertops. My name is Tatanish with Emerald Coast Fabrication, and we'll see you on the next episode. Bye.